collabing with her. Vicious Kitty XX, Vicious Kitty, or XX, Vicious Kitty XX.
And me.
And her. She's not collabing with us. I'm, as you know, Super Emo Gamer, and we are making Subway s'mores, and it just popped out of there like a marshmallow. Well, it is a marshmallow, but...
Oh my gosh, ow, ow, ow.
Run!
Oh my gosh, it hurts. Hey, mine.
No, it doesn't.
Here, you hold it. Here, this is the...
Hold up, guys. We still have to do our commercial for this. See, this is a real-life thing at Subway now because there's a commercial for it. Watch. Hi, guys. Today we are doing a commercial for S'more Way, Sweet Way. And we already ate it because it was so delicious. That's a thumbs up. That's all that's left. It was super good. You should so go to Subway and get these. No, S'more Way. S'more Way, Subway, whatever. And it's delicious, so let's move on. Hey guys, we're done with that commercial. Did y'all see it? It's like you should so go to Subway and get that. Okay, also here with her.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes recording. Oops. That didn't happen.
That was just me dropping a bomb.
Bloopers.
I was just dropping a bomb.
You can see this in the...
Hit record.
Okay.
No.
It's subject from A. Let's see how well subject A does in the microwave. Subject A, do you have anything to say?
Great. Well, we're going to start anyway because we don't care.
Bye.
You're so beautiful. Subject A, are you doing good? No. No, you're not. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's going to take over.
Oh goodness, no, let them see. This has gone downhill.
It's gonna take. Subject A is getting revenge.
Okay, pause it for a second. Let the viewers. That is a marshmallow.
No,
the marshmallow has gotten
Subject
rid.
A is mine. No, you get subject A. It's not okay.
Okay, let's keep going. Make it bigger.
Breathe.